Alright, well, sorry it took a while for me to do this. This is my Switch Lite. I have here a amp meter. This does the volts and the amps. It doesn't do coin, unfortunately. I have to upgrade and get something better than this, but this will give you a basic understanding on, how many volts from your power adapter and then how many amps is the device drawing. So the device is on, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. Okay, so at 5.13 volts is drawing 0.47 amps, and then goes down to 45. Okay, so your question was how does it does doing gameplay? So this is not really my main switch. My main switch is I have a Revision 1 modded switch, so I don't really use this switch much. So I'm just gonna play this game here, and pretty simple game, and you can see, at how many amps it draws doing gameplay. Um, the best way to do this is to do it through the actual Nintendo adapter, which I do have, but I don't have. They sell like a USB-C adapter, so you can actually test this in series with the Nintendo charger. I need to get that. But I have what I have right now. Let me just see here. Okay. It shouldn't really be drawing any more, any less. Probably stays between 45 amps to 47 amps. So I'm just doing this all with one hand pretty much. I think. Let's see if I can skip this. Okay, now it's my turn. So you can see as I'm playing this, nothing's really changing. It goes to maybe 44 amps to 45. Doing gameplay, doing regular, height will be maybe 0.47 amps. And this is like a 5-volt fast charger. The only reason why I cannot use the fast charger is because I don't have the USB-C adapter for this meter over here. So I'm just using the standard. Right over here on the bottom is a connection for the fast charger, which should be a more valid test. But I'm just showing you that at that amperage I can't, pretty much run, games and charge the device and whatnot. So this is not much help. So let me just pause this and let me get into a real game. Okay, now I'm playing a game. And I'm sorry, I'm not really playing the game that good because it's all with one hand. But you can see while I'm playing it at 5.13 volts that it draws 0.45 amps. So that's really a normal reading as far as a Nintendo Switch Lite goes. I do have a Nintendo Switch 4th generation, a Revision 1 I think you call it. If you want me to do a quick video on how all the amps and volts on that Switch, just let me know. But this is with a new motherboard and pretty much a new battery, so give you a good idea. I wish I could have done if I had if I had the USB-C adapter, I could actually see the voltage and amps through a stock Nintendo charger. This is just through a regular phone charger. So hopefully this helps you out. If you want me to try to do this on my regular Switch, I'll give it a go, and hopefully this video helps you.